Are those puppies fussing? Tell them to stop. Yeah, tell those puppies to stop fussing. So you're not supposed to fuss. What you got, Riley? You think maybe you got that upside down? Would it work a little better maybe if we turned it around? Uh-oh. Where'd it go? Riley, I don't think you're supposed to go back there. Riley? No. And that's why. What are you doing with the can, Sweet Pea? Yeah, that's what I was afraid of. Okay, I think now we can stop. I'm sorry, sweetie, but it busted. Oh, I'm sorry your can busted. What a bad can. Yeah, it's a very bad can.